Before installing the flat table for larger goods, you will need to assemble the table using the included hardware. 2 brackets are included with your machine along with a dozen beveled screws, which need to be assembled to the table before setting the table on your machine. The brackets are single-sided, so you need to make sure that you have them in the right direction. In order to choose the right direction for the brackets, you need to make sure that the screw hole closer to the edge is going to go on the same side as the opening slit on the table. You'll need to set your brackets and your table over, aligning all the screw holes to the brackets. Once you've aligned everything, start with a screw on each side to maintain the brackets in place, and complete by fastening the remainder of the screws. You may now take your table with the brackets attached and slide it onto the machine. Placing the slit in first to the side of where the bobbin area is, slide the table onto the machine. You will notice that the bracket holes will align with the screw holes once they've reached their place. Using the included thumb screws, you may now attach the table to the machine. The material on your table is protective film. You may remove it once you've started using your table. Now that you've installed your flat table, you can proceed to embroider heavy materials on your machine.